And we are back. In this tutorial I'm going to design a simple logo for my brand name. Let us use the rectangle tool first. We have a black fill color and no stroke. Then we add an anchor point using the add anchor point tool. Our smart guides help us finding the center position. Then I press A for the direct selection tool and I drag it upwards. I press V and I drag a copy out of it holding Alt. I'll hold Shift and I rotate it, and I'll reposition that maybe up to here. That looks fine. I'll select it all and use the shape builder tool to connect these two shapes and make it into one. Now we can resize it holding Alt, for example, like this. Let us press A to have the direct selection tool selected, and then I drag these little circles inwards and all of the corners are now rounded. I press I for the eyedropper tool and I use this yellow color and I want to add a stroke, and we will type in the second hex code for the bluish color, and I'll increase the stroke. That should be fine. Let us now activate the type tool and I type in my brand name Brig. I resize it holding Shift and Alt. I give it the bluish color as well using the eyedropper tool, and I use area bold, so nothing special here. Let me position it right there. I select it all and then I center it. And as we can see, the text isn't perfectly aligned. We have to first select it, right click, create outlines, and now we can align it to the center position. Maybe we'll have to increase the stroke size to 8 points. And let me play a bit around with the size of the text, holding Shift and Alt. Maybe that was too much. Let me increase the stroke size to 10 points. And I size the name down just slightly, like this. And this is how you can recreate this simple logo in Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.